Hi, I'm Shen, Head of Product. Today we're going to take a closer look at the VIVE Focus 3 eye tracker and facial tracker, both of which I believe will give your VR experiences a more human touch. When we see faces like these, we're likely to consider them fake and not genuine. While the key element is missing, the emotion. Humans are said to have 6 universal emotions: happiness, surprise, sadness, anger, disgust, and fear. To make these expressions, it involves the movements and interconnections of various parts of the face. And we've been working on capturing the complex facial data in order to turn this into a more lifelike one. That's something, isn't it? Let's see how the magic works. We make connections with one another through eye contact. And that feeling of trust is what we're always looking for in the VR world. With the VIVE Focus 3 eye tracker, we aim to bring realistic eye movements, like blinking, eye rolling, and almost anything you can imagine to our virtual avatars. In this light and stealthy installed tracker, there are multiple LEDs around it that will project an infrared light onto your eyes, so they can be accurately captured by the dual tracking cameras. AI algorithms then tell the exact direction where your eyes are pointing towards. Plus, with the foveated rendering technology, which allocates GPU workloads by boosting the resolution where your eyes are focusing on while blurring the rest of the content. This technology greatly optimizes performance for what's in your line of sight. Let's follow our eye tracker designer Michael to learn more.
When we were designing the eye tracker, our priority was to make it functional yet simple. It's a perfect example of phone follow function. Simple as it looks, you can barely feel it attached. It fits the VIVE Focus 3 without impacting the balanced ergonomics.
That's so cool. See the difference? Your facial muscles also tell a lot of stories when it comes to communication. And as the perfect pairing to the Focus 3 eye tracker, VIVE Focus 3 facial tracker can capture your facial movements in precise detail. I'm just like this real-life replica, right? Well, to tell more about the behind-the-scenes story of VIVE Facial Tracker, let's hand it over to Jean, our product marketing manager.
The tracking camera of the facial tracker captures expressions through almost 40 blended shapes across the lip, jowl, cheeks, chin, teeth, and tongues to precisely capture facial expressions and mouth movements on avatar.
Hi, I'm Jin. I'm in Taipei right now at our HTC headquarters.
You can naturally convey your emotions as well as read others' intentions in VR to provide users with a seamless VR experience without feeling uncomfortable. We made the facial tracker even smaller and lighter to fit the shape of the VIVE Focus 3 all in one headset. It was a huge amount of effort to put all these high-end technologies into this tiny tracker.
Gear up with the VIVE Focus 3 eye tracker and facial tracker, and you're all set to embark on the VR social journey in VIVE Sync. Leverage the power of these tracking technologies and start creating connections with your colleagues who may be halfway around the world. You'll be able to immerse in a workspace without boundaries. Other than making our VR social experiences more human, these technologies can also be applied to various business use cases. They help enterprises optimize their VR working environments, such as training, learning, and developing. For example, firefighters can practice professional training in VR environments with higher training precision and efficiency, without the dangers. Researchers will also be able to get a better understanding of a subject's behaviors during their research process. And those with disabilities will be able to communicate with less effort, such as using eye gaze to do menu selection or teleportation. For content developers, the VIVE Focus 3 eye and facial trackers are both supported by VIVE Wave and OpenXR. Moreover, you get to enjoy a seamless PC VR streaming experience through VIVE Business Streaming. For more information, you can check out the link in the description below. So you see, the VIVE Focus 3 eye and facial trackers open up a new world of infinite possibilities, waiting for us to explore. They bring a new era of VR applications for business needs, offering reliable solutions and bringing the power of VR to you and your colleagues. Get your trackers, and I'll see you on the other side.